Do you love listening to music through your AirPods Pro? I do, but one of the big problems is for me, they fall out of my ears. So I have started putting memory foam in the inner part of the AirPods Pro. I just thought I'd show you how I do this because I find this it's cheap and it's useful, and the best bit is your AirPods stay in. Here are the main things that you need to get this done. So firstly, here's my AirPods Pro. I'm now going to take off the outer part, and you can see I've basically put on this ring of memory foam onto the outer, which you put over this plastic casing, and then fold down the silicone over the top, like so. So how do you create that? It's actually really easy, and this is really effective. It actually, for me, it just holds my AirPods Pro in place. So to do this, you just take an earplug, which you can buy at a chemist, or they get given to you. There are earplugs that are given out at venues, or earplugs that you can get on a plane. You just cut the area like so. So you're left with a sliver of memory foam. I just poke a hole through the memory foam like this. I use a pen to make this hole bigger, and then while it's in this shape, you can easily then bend it. So you poke it through, and while it's large, because it will collapse in, while it's that large, you can then poke through the AirPods Pro plastic part. To show you how that's done, you take the memory foam, which you've just opened up, and then take the casing, thread it over the top. It might split a little bit, that's fine as long as it holds its overall shape. And then you're left with this, which you can then fold down, and it becomes a little spring in your ears and keeps the overall AirPods Pro secure in your ear canal. So that's what it looks like. The other thing that's really good is it just fits into the case. You don't need to do anything special, and you can just open it, pull it out as you need. I hope that's been useful for you. If you did find it useful, please hit like, subscribe to my channel for more great musical tips. Bye.